That's a funny question, and it's a simplification of a very complex chemical manufacturing process. In the industrial coatings world, we are mixing lots of different materials together on a regular basis to make a chemical resistant epoxy or polyurethane coating. But in order to make it a very understandable topic, an analogy that I often use is that making paint is in fact like baking a cake. In paint manufacturing, there are four main raw materials. There are pigments, which are the solid materials akin to flour in a cake. There is resin, the backbone that holds everything together like an egg in a cake. The resins we use here at Enduron are typically epoxies and polyurethanes, but there's also latexes, acrylics, alkyds. That's what holds the flour together. The third main raw material in a cake is milk to make it moist. In industrial coatings, it is solvents. Or in any paint, it's solvent. Sometimes that's water, sometimes that's methyl ethyl ketone, but that is something that we add to give paint flow so it can spray out, roll out over a surface, or be applied to give it wetting to properly adhere to a substrate. So if you had flour, eggs, and milk, you could make a cake, it just wouldn't taste any good. So the fourth ingredient we call in the coatings business additives. What I'm talking about is flavoring like chocolate or lemon or blueberry when making a cake. We make paint red or we make paint white. It's the different additives that we put in there that will allow for it rust inhibition or thick film build. So that's my analogy of trying to make a very complex chemical manufacturing process something that someone who is not a chemist can understand. To learn more about this, please visit our website at www.enduron.com.